are hiking today. Today is a beautiful day. We are on an island surrounded by water. And everywhere you go, you can take a picture and it's just so beautiful. Yeah, lots of flowers, trees, rocks, and water. Look at this, guys. There's so many fossils here. Oh, how interesting.
Let's walk a beam.
That is a very interesting texture. It has no bark. Looks like. Oh yeah, it fell off.
Good girl, come on. Good girl.
Hey, you want to get down?
Sure.
Good. Good job. Yay. All these adventures. Almost every step of the way, you have the opportunity to sit down and take it in. So peaceful. Perfect place to meditate. Aspen is having fun.
She was nibbling.
And just to think of it, this island has been here since the Stone Age. Looks like a boat. Thirsty Aspen. Aww.
Let's see. No. Let's see how far I can throw. That was made from here. Let's try from here.
And there are a lot of blueberries, wild blueberries. You can see them. Can you see them? Lots of them. Super fruit growing right here. Help me? Yes, we're gonna pick the delicious red currant and make jam. Today is finally the day when we harvested the red currant. This is my favorite berry. We grow black currant, red currant, and red gooseberry. And red currant, don't interrupt. Red currant is my favorite. We love eating jams and preserves, and our local grocery store probably cannot restock quickly enough. I think Aspen wants to say hello. Aspen wanted to say hello. Right, Aspen? Or you just wanted to say that you wanted to go outside? Yes. Jams are our favorite bread spread, and so this is not gonna be enough for the winter season, so it will probably last us only for a couple of weeks. But it is so delicious. It's sweet and sour, the berry, and then when you add sugar, it's just it's so delicious. I really love the red currant jam. So that's what I'm gonna make today. Get rid of any branches or leaves. And I like for the food to be as healthy and as clean as possible. So I'm using organic sugar, just sugar, nothing else. As preservative, I'm adding some lemon juice. So it will be just juice, lemon juice, and sugar. The berry is very juicy, so I'm not going to let it sit to develop juices. So I'm just gonna turn it on right away. I want the jam to be extra creamy, so I'm going to blend it a little bit. Oh, and I had to put on an apron because it's gonna start splashing everywhere soon when it starts boiling. It's starting to boil. You can see the bubbles are starting. So when it's completely boiling everywhere, that's when I start the timer for about 5 to 10 minutes. We actually did not plant any of our berry bushes. They came with the house, and I'm actually very thankful to the person who planted them, because now every season we can enjoy delicious fresh berries and jams. I have my thermostat lying here, but I've actually never cooked with a thermostat before, and I forgot to put it in my pot before I started cooking the jam, and I think it's too late now, but I'm actually curious to what degree the jam will get, like how hot it's gonna get. Haven't had any issues with storing the jam either inside or outside of the fridge, and like I said, they don't last long anyway when we have our own jams. Once we open the jars, we put them in the fridge, but before they stand at room temperature. If I have room in the fridge, I put them in the fridge, but yeah, they don't last long, so we eat them pretty quickly, within a few weeks, especially delicious berry jams like this one. So I set it on high heat, so it's boiling very vigorously, as you can see. Lots of bubbles everywhere, so that's when I started the timer. So I'm gonna see what it looks like after 5 minutes of cooking. I don't have a tall pot. I definitely suggest a tall pot for making jams or jellies or any type of preserves, because it is getting everywhere. It's almost been 5 minutes since I started boiling the jam, so let's see. I think it's to the consistency that I want, so I think I'm gonna turn it off now. I had to clean up a little bit, otherwise I would have had lasting memories on my walls, reminding me of this day. So I have here my little strainer, so I can start filling my jars. I have sanitized them before, so yeah, I boil them for a few minutes in a pot. Of course, you can also sanitize them in a dishwasher with hot steam. Of course, it's another way to sterilize as well. So yes, I'm gonna fill them up now. It's going in. Okay. After I fill the jar about 2/3 full, I add just the pure jam unsifted into the jar. I fill the jars almost to the very top, And then I flip them upside down after I seal them with the lid very tightly. I love it when there's something left in the pot and I can get some extra. A little bit sour, sweet. There's a little bit of texture. So good. My favorite. Whatever didn't make into the jam, I just use that to make a summer drink. Add a few of chamomile flowers to your drink. It is so delightful.